Hello everyone, welcome to another TTfone tutorial. Today we will guide you through how to update WhatsApp using Aurora Store, how to perform a factory reset, and how to check for software or system updates on the TT990. WhatsApp Update. Every so often, WhatsApp releases updates to their app to cover new features and security updates. It is important to keep the application up to date. WhatsApp updates may appear either directly within the application or through the Aurora Store and should be done in the background automatically. However, if you need to update WhatsApp manually, you can follow these steps. Go to the Aurora Store. Tap on the Updates section at the bottom of the screen. If an update is available, you will see WhatsApp listed there. Select WhatsApp, then tap the Update button. Please wait while the download completes. Once finished, a confirmation message will appear asking if you would like to install the update. Tap Update again to proceed. After installation, the Open button will appear instead of Update. You can now open WhatsApp, log into your account, and enjoy the latest features. Factory Reset. Now we will show you how to perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, scroll down and select System. Then scroll again and choose Reset Options. Select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You will see a warning message explaining that all data will be removed. If you are ready, tap Erase All Data. Confirm the action when prompted. Please note, this process will erase all data from the device and restore it to factory settings. Make sure to back up your contacts, files, and important data before proceeding. We also recommend removing your SIM card and SD card before starting the reset. Software Update. TTfone releases software updates periodically to cover new features and security updates. It is important to keep the phone's software up to date. When a new version is ready, your phone should prompt you to update. If you would like to update it manually, please follow these steps. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on System Update. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download it. You can also tap Check for Updates to manually search. At this time, the device is fully up to date with the latest software installed. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us via email, chat support, or leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful TTfone tutorials coming soon. Thank you for watching.